Hi my glowies, hi my sherries. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And how are you all today? Today I'm gonna be talking about different vanilla fragrances that I have in my collection. Basically it's that time of that year, October is around the corner and the winters are coming. So it's that time of the year where where the fragrances basically literally do their magic and linger a lot. So I'm gonna be talking about different vanilla fragrances that I have and how they are different from each other. So let's begin the video. Okay, I just want to let you guys know that the fragrances are not being ranked here and are in no particular order. The first fragrance that I'm gonna be talking about is this beautiful bottle. You see, this one is from Victoria's Secret. I believe I got this like last year. I keep on buying fragrances from Bath and Body, from Victoria's Secret whenever basically there is a sale going on. This one is warm vanilla. It says here pink collection. There is no rule about the fragrances, but there are certain fragrances that work better with different seasons, I believe. Let's spray this. There is a strong cinnamon note here, and yes, definitely it has marshmallows also. Vanilla is just working behind the scenes, I believe. It starts with a cinnamon note that hits your nose at the first spritz. Then marshmallow comes in picture, creamy vanilla behind. It's a beautiful fragrance, and yeah, I will definitely recommend this one to all my glowies and my sherries. The second one is also from Victoria's Secret, and this one is their OG. This one is the Bare Vanilla. Bare Vanilla is their classic scent. It's such a beautiful bottle if you see, and I'm gonna be now spritzing it over me. This one is that cashmere, soft vanilla cashmere sort of fragrance. Take the sticker off to just check the notes. Whipped vanilla, soft cashmere, skin to skin. Like I said, cashmere, creamy vanilla. Beautiful scent. Next one that we are gonna talk about, this is this beauty here. This one is from Bath and Body Works, warm vanilla sugar. This one is definitely different from the Bare Vanilla. This one is sugary. It is so pretty, so feminine, perfect vanilla scent. Very sugary, very vanillic. It's definitely cozy. It's definitely winter friendly. Beautiful scent. Love it. The next one that I have for you guys is from Victoria's Secret. This one is called Vanilla and Green. Butter colored bottle. Beautiful bottle, like beautiful lemon yellow color. This is very nice. This is the kind of scent that I can wear easily in summers as well. Oh god, so pretty, so fruity actually. The vanilla is very like on the surface, okay. It's more fruity, a bit creamy, definitely fluffy and creamy vanilla, fruity, and a beautiful scent overall. So now we are going to talk about this one. This is from Bath and Body Works, and this one is Fresh Vanilla Blossom. This one definitely is a vanilla scent. The vanilla note is not very strong here. Yeah, a fresh vanillic cosmetic fragrance it has. I would definitely wear this, but I would layer it with other scents, other perfumes or other mists definitely, because on its own I don't like it that much. Yeah, I will definitely mix it with other scents. This is my least favorite in all of these that I've talked so far. There is this one particular fragrance that I would like to just talk about, because it has been my favorite since a very long time. over the years I have bought this fragrance, and over the years I have loved these kind of fragrances. Okay, this one is, ta-da, it's focusing from here. This one is Pumpkin Swirl Cake. A beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pumpkin fragrance. And look at the packaging. So pretty, pumpkin-y, I would say. It also has vanilla. I have worn this fragrance like multiple times. Just spritz it. Right away I smell the pumpkin spice. Okay, and it's very creamy and it's very cakey also, but not in that way that it makes you nauseous or overpowers your senses, but definitely a subtle pumpkin spiced vanilla cakey scent. It's very beautiful, very gourmand. Bath and Body Works does beautiful pumpkin fragrances, and they almost come up with new pumpkin fragrances around this time of the year. I mean, I can be wrong also, but yeah, they came up with this one. So yeah. Alright, my glowies and my sherries, so I'm gonna be signing off from this video now. These were the fragrances that I wanted to basically talk about. I'm also going to come up with more such videos in shorts, in long videos, so do subscribe to me, like, comment, share if you want. Also press the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you guys will be notified, because when it comes to posting videos, I do not follow a particular schedule. I post as and when my schedule allows, when I am in the feel and vibes of it. So yeah. Alright, bye. Love you.